Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're standing outside of a Coachman Apex. We're going to go over something pretty simple but very useful, how to fill a fresh water tank. Most travel trailers and fifth wheels are going to have a cap that looks something like this. We have our hose adapter because if you try to just stick a normal garden hose in there, it's not going to fit. Now I like the ones with the shutoff valve built in. I know what you're thinking, guys. We've got water, we've got the power cord right here, but Mark can attest that the fact that the GFI outlets in these in-ground power boxes that we have work. So we're going to fill up our fresh water tank just like this. We'll check inside on the monitor panel, and we'll be able to see whenever it gets all the way full. And you can actually feel as it's filling the little vent right here off to the side. That's where it's going to overflow once it's all the way full. Reach down, shut our valve off. That's all there is to it, guys. Pretty straightforward and simple. Nice little tip for you for the day. Have a great day.